Hi, Dave Snyder here. It is March the 3rd, 2013, and I guess the time is 9:23 p.m. Pacific Time, California. Okay, I just want to point out this is a good time to be looking for impacts because the weather's showing it all around the globe today. There's just, it's these faint circular shapes that are in the weather. You see it every once in a while. Like, oh, look at that. That's nice. That's really nice. See the big circle now. See see how that completes that circle? That's really nice. I'm going to save that. That's really nice. Yep. Ones like that. There's another. There's other circular shapes in the weather right now, like right here. See one right here, and that just happens to fall. You can see the edge of Greenland right there, where the curve is. So that's right, falling right in place. So that's one right there, probably that's showing. And of course, it's showing this one, which is a huge one. This one in the Atlantic here, and one in here, one right here. Right here, showing this one. Looks like showing one down here a little bit, not much. Nice pattern around Antarctica. So what you got to do is you got to take your moon images, flip them over, overlay them onto the Earth. The weather. Look at this one, right here. That one right there. Nice. This one here, really nice. Oh yeah, I'm gonna save that one too. Those are impacts, people. That's what they are. I don't care if people call them high pressure, whatever. I don't care what they call it. Those are from impacts. There's one. Look at that big old one right there. Nice. Big one here. Oh, showing itself really nicely. Right here. See this right here? This big clearing right here. That's one too. This one here. Nice big one here. That's another one. Copernicus, I know, hits there. And the South Pole of the Moon, I'm sure, hits there. Mare Oriental hits there. This is a big target right here. A big time target. The North Pole, South Pole too. That's why you see all the weather patterns around in the center and all around it. It's the most extreme area on the Earth. But I'm just saying, these weather patterns fit the moon patterns when you overlay them. And Antarctica is a direct impact from like Mare Oriental at least, and I believe the South Pole of the Moon too has hit Antarctica straight on, dead on. So you can check that out. That's a good one. I used to have videos up about it. I took a lot of videos down, but I'll try and get back into those ones where I'm doing the Antarctica rock structure and showing that. So check it out. Let's get one up here to see if I can get one fit right there. China. I got a China one somewhere right here. I don't know if this fits or not, but check it out. No, I don't think so. Not that one. I don't know. Doubt it. That one don't look good. Let's just slap one up there. I'll just throw a picture up there real quick and see what happens. How about that? Turn weather on. Turn off this crap. And I'll just put a picture up there of, wow, that looks, you know what that looks like though, is the other side of the moon. I can see that now. I'm going to try that real quick. What's this one? I didn't think it would fit like that, but let's shrink it down some. I better just stick with what I can see. I'll just cancel this one. I'll just use one that we can see. Mare Oriental ought to fit there. I'm just going to check it where it put it, because it usually puts it in the right spot. I don't know why. Wow, I see something right there. Alright. It's not going to let me put it there, though. I'm going to have to bring that down to the... I'm going to have to grab that weather right there and move that somewhere. Yep. Save it. China. Clouds. That's not China. I don't know. Siberia, whatever. Okay, then I'm going to put in the Pacific. I'm going to turn this weather off. And overlay it right there. Where I can work on it where the picture won't get messed up. See, these are all, you know, the thing that trips me out is people just don't understand. The ocean is like, look how deep we're like, right, 18,000 feet right there deep. Okay? That's like from the top to the bottom, almost, you know, Mount Everest, pretty close, not quite, but pretty close. I mean, so you're talking, if you were to jump off the edge of the, if this was all drained out, just right here is 13, this far out is 13,000 feet. Okay, then you've got the coastal mountains and everything. If you drain the oceans, it would be nothing but a bunch of craters, basically, and we'd be way up off the surface, way up there. So I'm just saying, there's craters all over the earth. Everything is a crater on the earth, pretty much. So here you go. I'm gonna overlay that right here. Want to name it China something? China clouds. Okay. And I'm gonna put that crater, the other crater, on top of it right here, where I can do it right. Turn it this way. You can see that already, can't you? I think I can. Hold it, something, so this is just a little bit off or something like this. Or does it go this way? Let's see. This way. That's it, that's it right there. Squeeze it a little bit this way. I don't know, I'm seeing this right here, this for sure. This part right here where I see this, I can see that shape in the cloud right there. And I can see this big hump right there, so I'm guessing that kind of goes there. Oh yeah. I think so. Oh yeah, look at this. Look at this part. Right here. Yep. That's for sure. That goes right there. So, if you look over there at the Himalayas, and let's see, let's just take another check real quick. Let me shut this off. Let's take a look. Oh, that's really nice. Okay, maybe this one's off a little bit. I got the center. I can see the center lined right up. Pretty much. I can see this crater up here. But I mean, you can see that it would be there, right there. See that? I can see it would be there. It's just difficult to put it in the right place because it's so close to the North Pole. I think that goes there, though. Actually, I'm pretty much positive that goes there. I could try it the other way, too. Oh yeah, look at this. It's like a triangle shape. Got like you'll see right here. Watch. See those three dots? Look at this right here, right here, right here, and right here. You see those? Okay, you see that triangular shape right there? That's not coincidence. That's the same thing. That's the same thing. Look at that. Very interesting. So that's why I like to look at the weather with the craters because the weather shows more than the land does usually. I mean, it shows it better. That's pretty good. You can totally see that there. Yep. Oh, this right here too, right inside here. This part right here. See that too. Interesting. Then you see that this is the actual the plateau right here, right there, up here. Yep. Let's see. That's that. Okay, so that's what you do anyways. That's what you do. Just like that. That's an obvious impact. That's a nice one. That's really a pretty nice weather pattern right there. Really nice. Might be able to turn it. It looks got to be like that, huh? Because you can see this triangle shape right here. Look at this right here. When it's backed away, you can see it pretty clear. And then this is just undeniable right here. This curve, and it comes up and then back this way even. Look at that. Comes down this way and curves around. You can see it. Whole thing right in place. From our huge giant moon hitting the huge Earth. Or I'd say makes the Earth seem a little bit smaller when you see that kind of stuff right there, I think. Yep, that goes there. That's what you do. Okay, so just have a good day. Check it out. The weather's pretty nice right now. Pretty good weather all over the world. All good to work with. Over here you can put the South Pole moon right there. And Mare Oriental just about everywhere. Just about anywhere on the planet. Mare Oriental, the source of our world, basically. Look at this right here. See that? See that pattern? There's another one right there. Another one right there. So it's got a small center to it, so something with something on the moon with a small center, more than likely. Or you could put Mare Oriental, probably fit there. Who knows? I never really tried right there. I don't think. I probably have. Right there. There's another one. Look, right there. Another one. Right here. Australia, definitely one. We know that's one. I mean, the names and everything, and showed everything lines up around Australia. There's so many impacts around Australia. All the subduction that here in New Zealand and all this just shows it all the way up to Japan up here. This stuff's all the whole Earth is covered with absolute impacts by the moon everywhere. The whole Earth is just covered with them. You just got to look for them and kind of know how to look for them. But that's, you see that? Look at the big circle. Look at these circles right here. These circles that you see in the clouds, they're approximately the same size as these circles right here. You see that? Been noticing that? They're all about this size, and you see them all over the planet. Right here, watch. You see them all over the planet. About that size. See here, this big circle? That's about that size, and it's about that size, and then it's about this size too. Right here, this big circle, and you can see all the other circles as you just look around and just. Right there, same size circle. That circle's the same size as these circles over here. That's another way to you look for them. It's got to match. They got to have similar size, impact circles or whatever, craters. So you got to look for ones, cloud patterns that are about that size, like this right here. This one right here, about that size. This one right here, about that same size. See that? So that's it. Check it out. And let me just point out, like every month, I've noticed this pattern come back every month about just after the full moon. It's always after the full moon that these circular patterns start to show up. I don't know. It seems like it anyway. It's got a couple more months to check that out to make sure that's what's happening. But that's what it seems like. So check that out too. All right. Have a good day.